Hello, my name is Marima, and for this video I will be using Adobe Photoshop, and what I will exactly be doing is turning this summer photo into a fall photo with lots of warm colors and make it a bit nicer. So I will do that just by using the tools in this program, specifically in the Adjustments tab. There's a lot of tools and options that we can use, and it's not going to be too hard to do. So I hope you enjoy it, and let's get into it. So I will be using first the color balance option to adjust the hues and the color values of the photo itself. We had a bit of more of a red and yellow tint, just so it looks a bit more. It's just so it has a bit of a warmer color to it. I will adjust the brightness and contrast just a tiny bit. Usually, these values aren't too big, so you'd think that you wouldn't be able to notice the difference, but the difference is very, very visible. So it will hopefully all look nicer, and we will be able to see a comparison. We can already see a massive difference with just a few options. You can do a lot of things with this program, which, you know, most of us already know, but this is just a very easy thing to do as it is, so it is not an issue for me. It is already looking quite nice, and just a few more touches and I believe we'll be done. You can just adjust the saturation a bit for the photo so it doesn't look way too flashy and vibrant. And here we go. With just a few options, really, we were able to turn this regular green summer photo into a warm fall photo. Of course, it can look nicer and it can be improved, but this is what I can do for now. I hope this was an enjoyable video and that this is a nice looking photo, and yeah.